I'm sorry guys, my last video was cut, but I want to continue guys explaining you well now we got all the forces. What we're gonna do is get most likely the net force from Q to 3. Alright, we got the constant, which what I was telling you is that you gotta put on the problem on the first lines what is the value that you're gonna give to the constant. Okay, then we open the parenthesis of the square set so we can get most likely everything multiplied by this constant, which is the same on the formula, right? We got the first value, which is 1.40 times 10 to the minus 8, which is charge number 1. This one is going to be multiplied by charge number 3, 2.10 times to the minus 8. There we go. And then we got the R value. Remember that the R value from 1 to 3 was 0.24 to the square, okay? And then in this part, we got to put the unit vector, which is, you guys remember, it was 0, 1. Then plus, because remember the formula in this case, it's electrostatic force from Q3. This one was from force 1, 3, force 2, 3. There you go. Okay, we already have this one. Okay, we need this one. I'm going to erase this and continue making these values. Then we're going to add, we close the parentheses in here, but the shit still is open. So what I'm going to do is put charge number 2. Remember that it was minus 1.80 times 10 to the minus 8. This one multiply for charge number 3, which it was 2.10 times 10 to the minus 8. Okay, everything, all this was divided for R from 2 to 3. Remember that this R was 3 divided 10 to the square. Here we're gonna put the unit vector. Remember this unit vector was 3 divided 5, and then we got 4 divided 5. This is a constant. I want to make a little review for you guys. This is the constant. This one is the charge number 1, charge number 2 are from 1 to 3, unit vector 103, charge 1, charge 2, charge 3 are from 2 to 3, unit vector from 2 to 3. Okay, I want to check if the camera it's recording correctly. Yes. I'm gonna erase this because you guys already know this, that I explained you. So most likely all the values you gotta put it on the calculator, so we can most likely we'll know the values that we're looking for, and it's easier. I mean, we already on the last step. All we need to do is put these values and solve the little equation that we have on this one. I think the last is we gotta put the force net from Q3. This one equals the 4.588 times 10 to the minus 5. This is like the unit vector. Not a unit vector, I made a mistake, I'm sorry. And this one is going to be multiplying the unit vector, which is 0.1, and this one will be plus. And then we got minus 3.775 times 10 to the 5. This minus is because my second charge is negative. So this one we're going to multiply for the unit vector, which is negative 3 divided 5, 4 divided 5. Okay, this is my unit vector. I want to erase this so it can be easier. You guys see the answer. That's going to be the last step, which is I'm going to try to make it prettier. Force net from Q root 3, okay? This equals the value that we put on top, which is 2.26 times 10 to the minus 5. Remember the measurements that we put to the values, okay? Remember this vector. This is the first one. I want to explain you guys why we got a minus 5. The thing is, past we were multiplying this one, and the other one was remember, it was 4.588 times 10 to the minus 5. That is why it continues with the minus sign. I made a mistake. I tried to explain something that it wasn't not correctly, but either ways we got this first value, okay? And then we got the second value, which is 1.568 times 10 to the 5. And we got the n for the values for the measurements, okay? And remember that we gotta multiply the values that we got from the constant, multiply by charge 1, charge 3, divided by r, 1 and 3. And then we multiply that, and then we multiply the constant for the values that we got from charge 2, 3, divided by r from 2 to 3, which is, you can go back to the video and see